Marine Corps.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Is that the hardest one?
It depends on who you ask.
Oh, no. Were you in a war?
I was, yes.
Oh,
I
my
was there in the
gosh.
initial invasion in 2003 in Iraq. And then I went back again in 2004 doing combat security at a Camp Ramadi.
Oh, my gosh. Thank you so much, sis.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Right now,
Okay.
what we got?
Well, this is here is the Vet Center, Chicago Vet Center. We provide
Oh, wow.
family and couples counseling. So eligible
Oh, my
veterans,
gosh.
service members and their families. Eligible veterans include veterans that are involved in combat operations and or experienced military sexual trauma during their services.
Oh, my gosh.
We're part of the VA, however, we're more community-based and we're not considered a medical facility or an outpatient clinic.
Nice.
To know more about us, you can go on our website. It is vetcenter.va.gov.
Not that one.
No, that's to go claims.
Oh,
It
Vet
would
Center.
be this one here. You can scan the QR code there.
Okay.
You'll scroll down to
You've
Vet
got
Center.
crisis locks
Yes.
for...
Suicide prevention. Yes. Those
Oh,
are
my
gun
gosh. Oh, my gosh. They're gun locks?
locks. And here, I'll give you one of these so you know this is
Oh,
our
thank you so
national
much.
call center.
Oh, it's a
So you
magnet.
could either call that number to locate your nearest vet center, or you can go on vetcenter.va.gov to locate your nearest vet center.
Wow, that gun lock thing is pretty neat.
Yes.
What is this for cleaning
That is for
something?
cleaning our sunglasses or our eyeglasses.
That's so nice.